Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for stopping in. I apologize for being about 8 minutes late. For some reason, LinkedIn canceled my live stream event and I had to create it again. So that's why I was late. I ran into some technical difficulties. I have no idea why that happened. It's never happened before, but we press on. Today we're going to be doing Codecademy, which is a coding platform that helps you learn your coding skills and to keep the rust off your coding skills and build up your coding skills, whatever language you choose. I'm doing Python. So we're doing the Learn Python 3 path. Specifically, we're in the Hello World section of that path. It's the very beginning of the path. We're doing part 2. We started it a little earlier. Last week I started it and then we're going to finish it today. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. This demo is for educational purposes only. Ethical hacking is legal and differs from illegal hacking. Always ensure you have legal permission before performing what you see in this demo. This is my LinkedIn. We close out of that. We don't need that on here. And then, here we go. We got Codecademy. And you can see I'm 33% done. Wow, only 33% done with Hello World. So we did lesson, Hello World. We did the quiz. We only got 84% on the quiz. And now we're on project block letters. I need to take some headache relief here because I have a headache. I actually have COVID, so I not feeling the best, but we press on. What's up, Bastian? Thanks for stopping. How you doing today? Let's go ahead and hit resume here. Block letters. Display your initials on screen and block characters to create an ASCII art. Here's what to expect. Check out the project task as you complete each one. This is not an exam, so you can refer to other resources to help you complete the project. And there's AI generation hints. Let's go ahead and start the project. All right, here we go. Block letters. ASCII art is a way of creating images using the individual characters from a keyboard. For example, below is an ASCII art of some letters from the English alphabet A, B, C, D. The letter F is made up of 5 characters in the first row, 1 character in the second row, and third rows, 3 characters in the fourth row, and 1 character in the 5th, 6th, and 7th row. These characters, when viewed together, look like an F. In this project, we will write a Python program that displays the initials of your name in block characters to dip your toes in the world of ASCII art. Let's start coding. What's up, Wiredog? Thanks for stopping in, man. Thanks for sharing this stream on LinkedIn. That event got canceled somehow, so I had to recreate a new event on LinkedIn. I don't know what happened there. So if you're wondering what happened, that's what happened. I don't know. Let's start coding. Beta. Code review available when you're done. So I just hit start. Let's start by writing 2 comments. Your full name. My name is Kyser Clark. The other comments, a fun fact about myself. Fun fact about me. What's a fun fact about me? I like hacking computers. Alright, cool. Got that done. Check that off. Creating art. Now that we have our name down, very difficult to get that down. Let's output our first initial. First, take a look at this alphabet to find your initials. So here's block letters. All right. Cool. Notice that each block letter is 7 by 5 and formed by the letter itself. In this, if this output doesn't work for your name, this is your chance to get creative. Try printing out the first character of your first or given name as a block character. An alternative option in this task is to print out your first and given last name of using ASCII art to write your initial. I don't even know what that means. What's up, Wi-Fi addict? Thanks for stopping in. Glad to see you here. I'm doing pretty good. I'm pretty sick. I got COVID, but it's like the 4th time I've had COVID, so it's like less severe every time I get it. I get it every year now. So, ever since COVID has existed, since 2020, I've gotten it every year. Or sorry, since 2021, I guess. Actually, no. I got it in 2020, didn't get it in 2021, got it in 2022, 23, and 24. And now it's 25. It's like my 4th time getting it. So. Like I said, I think once you get it a lot, like it kind of like it doesn't suck as bad every time you get it, you know, the more times you have it. Finally, save the run program and view your printed ASCII art. Alright, so let's print out my first initial. So how would we do that? So we have K. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this. So we have to do, so would it be this? Like print like K space, so what is it, like 3 spaces and then another K, 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and then another K, like that. And then the next one would be print K with 2 spaces, K1, 2, K1. That's not a capital P, that's a lowercase p. What's up, Francisco? Welcome to the stream. Thanks for stopping in. Glad to see you here. What's up, SecuroServe? Is Codecademy worth it while studying cybersecurity at uni? Because I might get it. I'm still debating if it's worth it. I mean, if you can get one of those Udemy courses for like $5, $10 for a Python, I would go that route. That's the route I went. But you have to wait for Udemy to go on sale. Sorry for this, just joining in. I am sick and I have COVID, so I'm going to cough a lot. I would look for deals on Udemy, but if the sale's not going on, then I would go Codecademy. And I think that's the approach I would take at this point in the game. Those Udemy courses are really good. And if you want to know more about like what I recommend for like learning how to get into coding, I actually have a dedicated video. Let me actually pull it up for you. Let me get you the link. It's actually one of my more popular videos. So there's the link. But yeah, I think Codecademy is definitely worth it if you can't get a deal on Udemy. I think Codecademy, I think this is better than like a book. Like I got a couple books, but I think this is better than those books because it's more hands-on and it's more up to date, because books get outdated very quickly. So I got a 1 space and then this seems a little off. Let's just like, can I double this? I don't even know. 1, 2, 3. The first one's 3 spaces. The second one's 2 spaces. 1, 2, and then 1 at the end. This one's just 1 space. And then 2 at the end. Let's see here. This one's 2 Ks in a row. 1, 2, 3. And then this one's going to be print K. Probably like this. I'd imagine. This is funky looking. I mean, that's a K. It looks a little weird though. It doesn't look like this. Maybe I need to put more spaces. What if I just did like... I don't know. Maybe that is what I'm supposed to do. What if I did like an extra space for all of these? That looks a lot better. If I did an extra space there. What do you guys think? What if I did a third? Nah, that doesn't look good. I think the one extra space is where it's at. Alright, that's easy. So does it want it like right here? I mean, I imagine I gotta put the J here and then the C here, right? So what if I did like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like just move these over, you know? And then what's a J? It's like all 5 on the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, that's not gonna work. Maybe if I did an extra J. And then all the way down the center. Easy enough. Yeah, it's not gonna work if I do the extra space. I don't think it's gonna look uglier, but the K is gonna look uglier, but the J is gonna look a lot better. So let's not do that. Danger Seth, thanks for following on Twitch. Appreciate you. I feel like I'm always able to learn best when I'm able to do some hands-on learning. Yeah, I'm the same way. Also, Andrew Garcia, thanks for stopping in. Glad to see you here. As a person with the last name that begins with a K, I approve of this laugh. Unfortunately, I gotta make the K look uglier to make the J look better. You know what I mean? That's unfortunate. We'll see what we can do here. So let's see here. J's, the last 3 rows, we got the first spot. So it's gonna be like this, like that. 1 space. Yeah, that's how it goes. And then the same thing for this line. This is weird looking. No, we gotta do extra spaces here. The J looks weird. Add an extra J there. And then right next to the J. It's a weird looking J. I feel like I gotta add another space here. And then add another J here. ASCII art's hard to make, dude. Those people that make ASCII art are honestly legends, bro. That looks a lot better, right? I think it would look better if I did an extra space, maybe. Add another J on the back end. Remove one here. I don't know. Let's see what that looks like. That's gross looking. Why is that? K looks good. J is a little funky. See, this grid is cool and all, but like this does not match up like at all. Okay, let's do like I need to do this. I need to remove one of these spaces and add one here. And then remove this here. Maybe that's a little bit better. Maybe if I added a second J here? Yeah, that's a lot better. I think it's good enough. That's good enough. It ain't gonna be that, it ain't that serious. How many? Let's remove one J here. No. There we go. That's a lot better. Now we need to add one more J on each end, I think. It's a lot better. I can get on board with that one. Alright, so what's C look like? Alright, let's just do like this is so alright, so now we just gotta do like C's down. This project is a little strange. What was it? This right there, and then let's see here. I think I got a little. Yeah, that's pretty good, actually. I think it would look better if I added one more C here. One more C here, maybe? Nah, that doesn't look better. That's pretty good. That's good enough. Let's get rid of the spaces. C's a little far out there. Let's get rid of. Let's pull back one more line. Alright, how's that look? That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. I am pretty happy with that. That's pretty good. It's not perfect, but you know, I'm alright with that. I guess I'm done. That was pretty easy. Request code review? I guess I don't have the pro version or something. I don't know. 2 out of 4 complete? What do you mean 2 out of 4 complete? Oh, I did this. I did this. Okay. Alright, that was pretty easy. Done getting an AI code review. Well, let's just get a code review. Let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. The code review is just like, you suck, you should retire. They're telling me to do ASCII arts for initials for KJC. Huh? And what else is it? Ensure that ASCII art aligns properly when viewed in different environments by using consistent spacing. I don't know what that means, bro. It's telling me to back this up one? But then that makes it look weird if I do that. Yeah, that's weird looking. AI don't know nothing. They don't know. What do they know about art? Oh, I didn't know it was going to be graded. Is the code easy to understand? Add a comment and a line to indicate the end of the ASCII art section. You're telling me to do like, okay, well, why, I don't see why that's relevant. Does the code run efficiently? I mean, I guess I could have done like that. I mean, yeah, it's technically more efficient. Look, I don't really give a shit. I don't really care if it's efficient or not. It works. Let's see what else it says. Ensure the ASCII art is displayed correctly by testing in different environments. How did the project go? I don't know. I don't really like this project. I thought it was kind of a waste. It's so you know how to build ASCII art for your cybersecurity tools. Receipts for lovely love seats. Keep receipts for your lovely love seats. Programming is a treat with the sweet of feats. Use strings and numbers to save a catalog of furniture, then perform concatenation and math calculations to create a receipt. Here's what to expect. Check off the project tasks as you complete each one. This is not an exam. Okay, we got it. Receipts for lovely love seats. We decided to purchase the dream of small business ownership and open up a furniture store called Lovely Love Seats or Near Sweets on Fleet Street. Goodness, what a name. With our newfound knowledge of Python programming, we're going to build a system to help speed up the process of creating receipts for your customers. In this project, we will be storing the names and prices of furniture stores catalog in variables, then what? Oh, you will then process the total price in the items list of customers, putting them into the terminal. Please note, projects do not run tests against your code. This experience is more open to your interpretation and gives you the freedom to explore. Remember that all variables must be declared before they are referenced in your code. If you get stuck during a project or would like to see an experienced developer work through it, click Get Unstuck or see Project Walkthrough video. Adding to the catalog. Let's first add in our item, the lovely love seat that is the store's namesake. Create a variable called lovely love seat description, then assign it the following string. Alright, well, we can just copy that. Why love? Why does it say love here? Lovely love seat description equals alright. Easy enough. Task 2. Great, now create a price for the love seat. Create a variable. Alright, we'll create this variable here. So we'll say love seat price equals, and then it is 254.00. Alright, easy enough. Task 2 is done. Task 3. Now let's extend our inventory with other characteristics. Piece of furniture. Create a variable called stylus SETI description. So we'll say this equals this. Okay, easy enough. Done with task. Now let's set the price. Create a variable. Equals 180.50. Fantastic. We need to create one more item. Alright. We will say this. Oops, I keep doing a plus sign. Set the price to 52.15. No, I don't know why I keep doing plus. There we go. That's done. In order to do business, we should also be calculating sales tax. Let's store that in a variable as well. Define the variable sales tax. Gross tax. Sales tax equals 0.088. Okay, easy enough. Our first customer is making a purchase. Let's keep a running tally of their expenses by defining a variable called customer one total. Since they haven't bought anything, it's just 0 for now, so it's 0. I think if I need to get rid of these quotes. Yeah, these aren't strings. These need to be set to numbers. Okay, good. We should keep a list of descriptions of things they're purchasing. Create a variable called customer one itemization. Set it equal to the empty string equals empty string. It will tackle our descriptions as they make their purchases. Our customer has decided that they're going to purchase our lovely love seat. Add the price to customer one total. So we can say customer one total equals plus equals what did they purchase? Lovely love seat. Why can't I? Where's the copy? Right click. I can't copy that? Okay, Control C then. You got OSCP without knowing Python? No, actually, I spent a lot of time with Python. Actually, this is just review for me. This is just practice. That's why it's kind of easy for me. This is extremely easy, actually. But I decided to start with the basics to help people get into Python, to people that are watching this, and just to go over the fundamentals again. I like to go back to the fundamentals every now and again. But yeah, I did a whole 100 days of code before I even got into OSCP. I coded an entire blackjack game, and I coded a tic-tac-toe game, and a lot of other small projects in Python. Customer one total equals plus equals lovely love seat. Okay, easy enough. Let's keep track of those items our customer purchased. Add a description of the lovely love seat to customer one itemization. Plus equals, so our customers also decided to purchase the luxurious lamp. Add that price to the customer's total. Luxurious lamp. So we can copy this. I feel like this is the most efficient code, but I'm just going off of what they're telling me to do here. Customer one total plus equals. There we go. Let's keep the itemization so we can do this again. So we can say plus equals. We can say like is it this slash or is it slash in? I can't remember if the character turn is that in or if it's this. Do we want the luxurious lamp description? So I don't understand why it doesn't give me the option to copy. It's fine. Wait, I can't copy that? What the heck? Control C. Control V. They're ready to check out. Let's begin by calculating a sales tax. Create a variable called customer one tax and set it equal to customer one total times sales tax equals customer one total times sales tax. Easy enough. Add the sales tax to the customer's total cost. Okay, so we can do Customer 1 total equals customer 1 tax plus no, we just gotta do plus equals, and then that's done. Okay, let's start printing up the receipt. Begin by printing out the heading for the itemization. Print the phrase customer 1 items. Not a capital P. Print customer 1 items. Print customer 1 itemization. Easy enough. Now add the heading to their total cost printout. Oops. Print customer 1 total. Now print out their total. Print oops. We just gotta do customer 1 total. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna error. See here. Oh, customer 1. Oh, because I spelled customer 1 total wrong. Customer. Let's try that. Okay. Okay, so my new line worked. I want to add another new line here, and that should put a space there. And then what I want to do is I want to print a new line. Oops. I want to print a new line there. Put a space between here and here. Okay, so that's exactly what I wanted. Now there's an error here. So customer 1 total. Okay, well we gotta spell it right. Customer 1 total. There we go. Looks like we got customer 1 items. Lovely love seat. Tufted polyester blend total. Alright, so they got their items. Customer 1 totals $333 and I think that's it, guys. That is the win. I guess I forgot to mark off one of the tasks. There we go. Let's do a code review, see what happens here. I guess it's gonna tell me, oh, you can put plus. It's gonna tell me like, oh, I can do like a print this plus new line. I don't have to make a whole line for that. Guaranteed. Oh, they didn't add a description. Okay. Capitalize that. Alright, that makes sense. Readability. The AI is like, yeah, put a 0 in front of the decimal point and did not tell me to do that in instructions. Yeah, it didn't tell me to do any comments either, but I could have. I should have. Alright. Dude, we got some XP, baby. Look at that. Is this like an advertisement for Codecademy? Like, I'm trying to... Okay, I get it. There's other things I can be doing. I got 10 XP for reading that article. Should I read the article? I feel guilty now. I didn't read the article and it gave me 10 XP for it. I can't even go back. Bro, I don't care about the mobile app. Just want to continue with the path. Go back to syllabus. Was that's part of the syllabus? Oh, I guess it is. Maybe we should read that. Can we go back? Let's read that. Make the most of your Codecademy membership. Learn the difference with features that Codecademy has to offer. Codecademy has helped tens of millions to learn how to code. Everything from Hello World to getting new tech jobs. But when it comes down to it, you get out what you put in. If you want the best setup for success, this guide is for you. Valuable resources. There are hundreds of hours of free content on Codecademy and thousands of hours of material available with our paid plans. But no matter your membership level, the key to success is learning intelligently. If you build the habits to use our features, it'll be easier for you to master technical skills. Mobile app. Keep practicing, stay sharp as you go with our free mobile app on iOS and Android. Workspaces allow learners to work in their own integrated development environment (IDE) right inside Codecademy. Build or try whatever you want for free with these unguided sandboxes. Share your code and keep it private. Not sure what to make? Grab code from your coursework and use it as a template. Cheat sheets. Coding is less about memorization and more about understanding principles. Cheat sheets help you quickly refresh your memory and get back to work. You can find them linked in lessons or head to their homepage to find them. Broken down by the course section in which you learn them. Looked at boot.dev? No, I have not. What is it? I don't even know what that is. But I'm interested and I'm curious. Docs. Cheat sheets are a handy companion for consuming coursework, but when coding in the real world, programmers need documentation. With Docs, you have an entirely open source, free reference material to cover far more than a course can. Learn what to learn. Not certain what language to pick up or what career path to choose? Flick through the Learn What to Learn course, where we consolidated the best resources to help you make a choice with confidence. An hour planning now could save you days of wasted effort later. Community. Learning code is challenging, but it's easier if you can team up, ask questions, stay connected, and find motivation in the Codecademy community. Community. Ask and answer questions about anything on Codecademy. Events. Attend an event to learn more about breaking into tech, gain professional skills, and get a new perspective on what you're learning. Facebook groups. Discuss the broader world of coding with tens of thousands of other learners. It's online schooling, mostly back-end stuff, lots of Python, Linux. Nice. I did not know about that resource. I appreciate you bringing that to my attention. Actually, we can check that out right now. Dude, this is cool. This is cool artwork. I'm already sold. Demo the course. Let's try a few lessons learned to go. It'll take 2 minutes. write some code. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I'm not gonna do this right now, but that's very interesting. I might get into that later. I like that. Video library. Need a break from the IDE but still want to be productive? Watch hundreds of educational and motivational video content on everything from basic coding concepts to career advice, all on topic and on platform. Paid features. If you want to supercharge your learning, a paid plan might be right for you. Here are some of the most popular paid features. Paths. Skill paths and career paths. This is what we're doing right now, by the way, a skill path. Or step-by-step roadmaps that take you through what you need to learn a specific skill or transition to a specific career in tech. They'll tell you what to learn and in what order, cutting out the guesswork and to the chase. Career paths cover everything that you'll find in a $15,000 boot camp, the curriculum, plus more. Pro learners also get access to interview prep. Skill paths. Projects, challenges, challenge projects, and portfolio projects. As you learn, you'll work on guided projects to put the steps you're learning to use. You'll find a variety of project types. Some offer step-by-step guidance, while others offer more of a challenge by only describing the final outcome of the project. If you take a path, you'll build your own portfolio projects as well, designed to simulate professional coding tasks. The solutions to these portfolio projects will be unique to you. Check out all the projects available to you via the projects library. Project tasks. Interesting. Interview prep. If you're taking one of our career paths, you'll find interview prep essentials built in. Learning interview techniques to prepare for technical interviews, including algorithm and data structure practice. Go even further with dedicated skill paths on acing the interview across a range of languages and disciplines. Practice and review. With your pro membership, you'll find it easier to brush up on what you've learned. Choose for yourself what to practice with links from each module of the coursework, or let us take the guesswork out with smart practice. Click the practice session link from syllabi, and AI will prioritize concepts for you by using spaced repetition, a scientifically proven way of helping you memorize new ideas. Yeah, spaced repetition is actually where it's at. Quizzes. Test yourself on as you make your way through a path or course. Quizzes help you retain all the things you're learning, plus to help you feel confident that you're mastering the material. Certificates. When you complete a pro course, you'll earn a certificate. You can share it on your resume or on a LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills or prepare for your job search. In select career paths, we also offer professional certifications. In these paths, you'll earn a professional certification for passing all the exams in the path. Code challenges. With technical interviews and coding in general, practice makes perfect. Now you can practice real code challenges from actual interviews to see how your skills stack up, or just solve them for fun. If you get stuck, we'll point you to what you still need to learn. Code challenges are available with Pro. Conclusion. If you made it this far, you're a highly motivated learner. We're excited to see how far you'll go, and I hope some of the features you learned about today's help. Please take a moment to answer 2 questions for feedback on this resource. Sure. 2 quick questions. Essence of the article? Say 3. How could it be improved? I don't know. I would say maybe make it interactive. Make it interactive. Point out how to get to each resource via screenshots, maybe, or I'll just do that. Okay. Easy enough. Let's go next. User input. How to assign variables with user input. So far we've covered how to assign variables values directly in a Python file. However, we often want a user of a program to enter new information into the program. How can we do this? As it turns out, another way to assign a variable in a variable, assign a value to a variable is through user input. While we output a variable value using print, we assign information to a variable using input. The input function requires a prompt message, which it will print out for the user before they enter the new information. For example, like snakes equals input. Do you like snakes? In the example above, the following would occur. The program would print, do you like snakes, for the user. The user would enter a answer, i.e. yes, I have 7 pythons as pets, and press enter. Variable like snakes would be assigned to a value of that user's answer. Try constructing a statement to collect user input on your own. Fill in a blank. Fill in the blanks within the code to complete a statement that asks a user what is your favorite flightless bird, and then stores the answers in the variable favorite flightless bird. So it would be input. No. It would be input here, favorite flightless bird here, and then what is your favorite flightless bird? Check answer. Got it. You can only input, not only can input be used for collecting all sorts of different information from a user, but once you have that information stored as a variable, you can use it to simulate interaction. For example, we ask what's favorite fruit. They say mango. Oh cool, I like favorite fruit too, but I think my favorite fruit is apple. These are pretty basic implementations of input, but as you get more familiar with Python, you'll find more and more interesting scenarios where you'll want to interact with your users. Article complete. Continue. I think that's the last thing in the path. Go back to the syllabus. Yeah. So we're doing hello world, so next is control flow. So we are going to resume with control flow next week. Sorry, I'm still looking for dev content, trying to avoid the tutorial hell that is YouTube. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a developer, man. I'm a cybersecurity professional who just needs to know how to code to do exploits. And I'm not interested in building full-fledged programs. And I'm not even interested in having clean code either. You know what I mean? So my perspective as an ethical hacker is like, I just need code that works. And I need to be able to modify other people's exploits, and that's really what it comes down to. I mean, maybe I might make my own tools, and I have made my own tools, but for the most part, they're still not giant projects, not like huge apps or anything. This is more, yeah, this is just for me to be a better ethical hacker, because I think coding skills are important for a cybersecurity career, which is why I am doing these exercises to knock the rust off myself, because if you don't use it, you lose it. Alright guys, like I said, it's going to be the end of the stream. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out. We will continue this stream next week. I'm doing Thursday live streams for coding, Monday live streams for hacking, and then I release a new video every single Saturday. If you are a member, then you get early access to every video. And then furthermore, I have a podcast episode that drops every single Wednesday. And once again, if you're a YouTube member on my YouTube channel, then you get early access to those as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out. You guys are great. And hopefully I see you in the next stream or video. Peace out. Take care. Have a good one. Kyser out.